Join me as I take on the challenge of researching stocks like a pro, and I'll show you my step-by-step process for beginners. When it comes to investing in the stock market, research is key. It's the difference between making informed decisions and taking a wild guess. As a beginner, it's essential to understand the importance of stock research and how it can help you avoid costly mistakes. Have you ever tried to research a stock only to feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information available? You're not alone. One of the biggest challenges beginners face is information overload. With so many sources to choose from, it's hard to know where to start. Another challenge is lack of experience. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of investing, but without a solid understanding of the stock market, you're more likely to make impulsive decisions. Additionally, many beginners struggle to separate fact from opinion. With so many conflicting views and biased sources, it's tough to know what to believe. And finally, there's the challenge of staying up to date with market trends. The stock market is constantly changing, and it's hard to keep track of what's happening. So, how do you overcome these challenges? The key is to have a solid process in place. It all starts with understanding financial statements. When you know how to read a balance sheet and income statement, you'll be able to make more informed decisions about a company's financial health. Next, you need to analyze market trends. This involves looking at charts and graphs to identify patterns and trends. It's not about predicting what will happen next, but about understanding what's happening now. You also need to evaluate company performance. This involves looking at key metrics such as revenue growth, profit margins, and return on investment. By doing so, you'll be able to get a clear picture of a company's strengths and weaknesses. One pro tip that can significantly enhance your research process is using specific tools and resources. For example, you can use financial websites such as Yahoo Finance or Google Finance to access financial statements and market data. You can also use screeners to narrow down your search and find stocks that meet your criteria. Another tool is social media. By following industry experts and analysts, you can stay up to date with market trends and get valuable insights. And finally, you can use stock research platforms that provide in-depth analysis and recommendations. Remember, researching stocks is a process that takes time and effort. It's not something you can do overnight, but with practice and patience, you'll become more confident in your abilities. By following these steps and using the right tools and resources, you'll be able to make more informed decisions and achieve your investment goals. In conclusion, researching stocks like a pro is a skill that can be learned with practice and patience. By understanding financial statements, analyzing market trends, and evaluating company performance, you'll be able to make more informed decisions. Don't forget to use specific tools and resources to enhance your research process, and always stay up to date with market trends. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to investing, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and advice. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video and what you'd like to learn more about in the future.